Alright, so here's where we're at. I've got the pattern for the three-wheeler on the build table. I've got my wooden jig blocks up for the bottom frame, which I have just completed. Let me tilt up to show you. It's leaning against the back wall right now. So what I'm going to do now is pause. I'm going to rearrange the jig blocks for the bottom frame. Be right back. Alright, I got the jigs put up in the correct wooden jigs in the right places for the bottom frame. Now before I start that, I want to show you my tube roller, my square tube roller. Alright. Okay, because I don't have a roller and I can't find a friend that's got one, what we do is I mark it off where it needs to roll from and to, and then I will take that, and there's that one mark, here's the other mark. I just put it in here and just lightly just give it a little flex. As you see, a little bend got there, but we'll go back. But before we get too far along, take it, bring it back up here, and I just slide that back into place. Now, we have got the bend up to here, so erase that and move up to here, right there. Okay, and then you go back and you check it again. Okay, numerous times, little bend a bit. See, that's moved again. It's up here now. And so on until you get it fit in. Now I use the same curve for all four rails that are bent. That way I'm ensured that they're all the same. Alright, we got the bottom frame mostly cut out. Let me weld that up and then we'll move on to putting the top and bottom frame together.